Want to turn your blurry, low-resolution videos into stunning 4K masterpieces without buying an expensive graphics card? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using an easy online AI tool called TensorPix. TensorPix is an online video and image quality enhancer that uses AI to upscale your footage. The best part, you don't need to install any heavy software or have a powerful computer. Everything runs directly in your web browser, and you can get started for free without even entering a credit card. They claim you can get your enhanced results in less than 3 minutes. While the main attraction is the AI video quality enhancer, which can upscale your videos all the way up to 4K, TensorPix is packed with other useful tools. They have an online video compressor to shrink your files without losing quality, an AI image generator, a text-to-video generator, and even specialized tools like TensorShots for social media clips, and a real estate video maker. Now, looking at user feedback, the platform is trusted by over 3 million users. While independent review data is limited, featured testimonials highlight some massive pros. For instance, creators love that you can upload your video, close the tab, and TensorPix will process it in the background and email you when it's done. An FX artist noted that it's a highly cost-effective alternative to buying expensive hardware for AI training. Another studio owner mentioned they actually got better results than with Topaz and saved hours by processing multiple videos at the same time. On the flip side, keep in mind that upscaling to high resolutions like 4K does take some time, but the background processing means you don't have to sit around waiting. To try it yourself, just head over to tensorpix.ai, upload your video, choose your enhancement settings, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. It's that simple. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to make your content look cinematic, definitely check it out. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a comment below and let me know how your upskilled videos turned out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy AI guides. See you in the next one.